Today we're gonna do the sound test of a Rotel stereo amplifier RB-850. It's coupled with the stereo control amplifier, which is the pre-amplifier RC-850. So this Rotel amplifier appeared in 1980s. It has two mono blocks and quite famous. And it's rated 50 watt on each channel, but when I measure, it's pushing more than 67 watts per channel uh, into 4 ohms speakers. And also if you combine them, uh, at the 8 ohm speaker it's around 97 to 100 watt both channels, and in the 4 ohms it's speaking more than 130 watts. It's a very good amplifier with its own preamp and control center. So if you see on the amplifier, you don't have anything, just a power switch, and you have input and 2 channel output. It has two mono blocks, two complete separate amplifiers for the left and right channel, and it's fed with the input of this control unit, which is a preamp. So you can feed any input like phono, CD, tape recorder, you name it, streaming. You can feed in through this preamp, and then you choose the source, and also choose the function where you do the input. Volume control also, you basically do whatever is input, if you increase the input, the output also increases. That how it is the same principle. Only thing is these two mono channels are separated, they are not in one box. And this preamp also has the bass and treble, and also it has a tone feature on and off, and you can choose on the mono. It has a very nice and excellent sound quality, completely solid state from 1985 to 87. It came into the market, highly desirable and collector's item. People love to acquire them because of their excellent sound quality. And we do the input through the CD player by the Pioneer. It's a PD Z82M. This is the multi CD input, so it has 6 CDs in the cartridge, and you can choose all of them one by one, or you can do the random play. So I can show you how it looks like. So this is the cartridge, and it has all the CDs inside. Basically from there you select, and if you wanted to, let me show you, you wanted to change, you put the CD here, and for the other one also similarly, and you put the CD. So 6 CDs you load in this cartridge, and then you feed into the CD player. Very convenient and very good technology. Just put it over there, and afterwards you choose the track you wanted to listen, and just hit the play, or you can just choose the random play, so it will play from all CDs random, from any track from any CD, and randomly it will mix. So it's quite convenient. If you have 6 CDs in the tray, then you have quite a lot of music at your hand, so you don't need to go and change album now and then. So you have a sort of little bit peace of mind, and CD player do job for you. Basically it was convenient in the time of CD players. Now with the streaming, it's easy, with your smartphone. Basically you can choose which album you wanted to listen, or which artist you wanted to listen, and you can create your own playlist, and there you go, much convenient. But even though Spotify and all other audio streaming companies which work through the internet, their bandwidth is not broader like CD, so the sound quality of CD is still supreme, because CD has a broader bandwidth. So you have all the sounds from low frequencies to the high frequencies amplified, and you can listen while doing the optical drive reading through the laser. While streaming, some of the bandwidth is squeezed by the internet, and the way and the format they save the companies. so you really miss some beats. Generally you don't feel it much, but if you have a good sound system and you play the Spotify, you play the CD player with a good deck, digital analog converter, you feel the difference. Some of the people, they also do, so they feed Spotify into the deck and they feed to the amplifier, and it increase the detail of the sound a little bit more, but since the input is limited, they cannot do much of the magic. So CDs are still supreme producing the sound quality. So this optical technology is still very high level. Now we're going to do the sound test, and we play some some music, especially, and we see how it sounds.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10, it's glistening once again with candy canes and silver lanes that glow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, toys in every store. But the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door. A pair of hop-along boots and a pistol that shoots is the wish of Barney and Ben. Dolls that'll talk and will go for a walk is the hope of Janice and Jen. And Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. There's a tree in the Grand Hotel, one in the park as well. It's the sturdy kind that doesn't mind the snow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Soon the bells will start, and the thing that will make them ring is the carol that you sing right within your heart. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, toys in every store. But the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door. Sure, it's Christmas once more. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I am telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list, he's checking it twice. He's gonna find out who's naughty or nice, Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping, and he knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I am telling you why. 'Cause Santa Claus is coming to town. Oh, let's go! You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming, I mean the big fat man with the long white beard. He's coming to town. Merry Christmas, ladies.
Merry Christmas, Mr. Buble.
Are you ready to sing a little jingle bells?
Yes.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. All the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what a lot of fun to ride and sing in a one-horse open sleigh.
Thank you for watching.